Green tea with ginger and lemon improves circulation naturally. My hands were always cold. My feet felt numb by evening. I was only 42 years old. My doctor mentioned early signs of poor circulation. He recommended lifestyle changes before considering medication. A nutritionist friend suggested a daily drink that changed everything. Green tea, fresh ginger, and lemon. 3 ingredients that work together to support vascular health. Within 3 weeks, the tingling in my feet reduced noticeably. Within 2 months, my cold hands improved. I needed to understand why. Green tea contains catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows these compounds improve endothelial function. Your blood vessel lining becomes more flexible. Vessels dilate more efficiently. Blood flows with less resistance. Ginger brings gingerol, a bioactive compound with anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation damages blood vessel walls over time. The journal Circulation Research confirms ginger reduces inflammatory markers. It also inhibits platelet aggregation. Your blood flows more smoothly without forming unnecessary clots. Lemon provides vitamin C and flavonoids. These antioxidants protect your blood vessels from oxidative damage. They also support nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide signals your blood vessels to relax and widen. Better blood flow reaches your extremities. Preparation matters for maximum benefits. Boil 2 cups of water. Add 1 teaspoon of fresh grated ginger. Simmer for 5 minutes. Remove from heat and add 1 green tea bag. Steep for 3 minutes, not longer. Oversteeping makes it bitter and reduces beneficial compounds. Squeeze half a lemon into the cup. Drink it warm twice daily. Timing affects how your body responds. I drank 1 cup mid-morning and another mid-afternoon. Avoid drinking it late evening. Green tea contains caffeine. It might interfere with sleep quality. The warmth itself provides immediate comfort. You feel your body warming from the inside. This isn't just psychological. The ginger stimulates thermogenesis. Your metabolism increases slightly. Blood flow to your skin surface improves. Consistency produces cumulative benefits. The first week, I noticed better warmth in my hands during cold weather. By week 3, my evening foot numbness occurred less frequently. By week 6, my circulation improved enough that my doctor noticed during examination. Green tea also supports cholesterol management. The National Institutes of Health confirms regular consumption can lower low cholesterol modestly. Lower cholesterol means less arterial plaque buildup, clearer pathways for blood flow. Ginger has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Modern research validates many traditional uses. A study in the Journal of Cardiovascular Pharmacology found ginger extract improved blood flow markers in participants with circulation concerns. This combination also supports blood pressure regulation. Hypertension damages blood vessels gradually. The compounds in this tea help maintain healthier pressure levels. Always monitor your blood pressure if you have existing concerns. Some people experience mild heartburn from ginger. Start with half a teaspoon and increase gradually. If stomach discomfort occurs, drink it with a small snack. Never consume it on a completely empty stomach if you're sensitive. Blood-thinning medication users need caution. Both green tea and ginger affect blood clotting naturally. If you take aspirin, warfarin, or similar medications, consult your doctor first. Interactions can increase bleeding risk. Results vary between individuals. Your circulation issues might stem from different causes than mine. Diabetes, smoking history, sedentary lifestyle, or arterial disease require comprehensive medical management. This drink supports circulation. It doesn't reverse serious vascular damage. Track your symptoms honestly. Note your cold extremities frequency. Monitor any numbness or tingling. Observe changes over 8 weeks. Objective tracking shows whether this approach benefits you specifically. This remedy complements healthy lifestyle choices. I also started walking 30 minutes daily. I reduced my salt intake. I quit smoking completely. The tea works synergistically with these changes, not independently. Never ignore serious circulation symptoms. Severe leg pain when walking, chest discomfort, or sudden numbness require immediate medical evaluation. These could indicate serious conditions needing urgent treatment. My circulation continues improving 3 years later. I still drink this combination daily. It became a habit I genuinely enjoy. The ritual of preparing it slows down my morning routine pleasantly.